Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record Minecraft in full screen using OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. Before we begin, here's an important note you need to know. You must first open your Minecraft game before following these steps. This ensures that OBS can detect and capture your game window properly, so make sure Minecraft is running in the background before you proceed. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Sources. This is where you'll manage all your capture inputs and add new recording sources to your scene. In the Sources section, click on the plus icon to add a new source. A menu will appear with various capture options. From this list, select Game Capture. This option is specifically designed for recording games like Minecraft and ensures you get the best performance and quality when capturing gameplay footage. A new window will pop up asking you to name your source. In the name field, you can type something like Minecraft to keep things organized, or you can simply leave it as the default game capture. Once you've decided on a name, click OK to proceed to the next configuration window. Now you'll see the properties window for your game capture source. Navigate to the mode option and click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the list that appears, select Capture Specific Window. This setting tells OBS to focus on recording one particular window rather than trying to detect games automatically, which gives you more control and stability during recording. Next, locate the window option right beside the mode setting. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see a list of currently open windows on your computer. Select Minecraft from this list. This ensures OBS is capturing exactly the right window and nothing else, preventing any accidental captures of other applications. After selecting your Minecraft window, click OK to confirm your settings. The capture will now appear in your OBS preview window. If needed, you can resize the capture by clicking on it and dragging the red corners to fit your canvas perfectly. This allows you to adjust how the game appears in your final recording. Once everything is set up and positioned the way you want it, you're ready to start recording. Look at the right panel of OBS and click the Start Recording button. Your Minecraft gameplay will now be recorded in full screen with all your configured settings applied. And that's it, you've successfully set up OBS to record Minecraft in full screen mode. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.